Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys my top 5 must-have iPhone apps of September 2019. The first app for the video is Geekbench 5. The famous Geekbench app is back with another version, and this is a free version of this app. Geekbench 5 can be downloaded for free. You will also have Geekbench Pro, which will be the paid version of Geekbench 5. And of course, you probably know what it does. It will test your device and show all those scores that show the capacity and the power of your device. Now, this is the home screen right here where you will see like some details regarding your device, and you will have the benchmarks right there. At the bottom here, you will have the history, and then you will have the device right here, and of course your settings. Now you want to test your device, you can test the CPU and the compute right there. You go to CPU and just click run benchmark, and what it does is that it takes your device through a few tests, and then it will show you results. How did your device perform on that test? That of course will differ on different devices and different iOS versions as well. Faces is a new app that you must have if you own an Apple Watch. Now, it allows you to create some really beautiful Apple Watch faces. So from the app right here, we'll see a few different categories which you can select from. Of course, it should be updated with more soon. So you go ahead and pick the category that you want. Right here, you can go to show all, and it will show you all the faces on that category. You can see some really beautiful ones right here. So you tap the one that you like and go ahead and create watch face. Just tap here, understand or never show again, and just go ahead, scroll here and click create watch face. Once you have done that, you go ahead and select which watch face you want. And then of course you can also go ahead and position the time wherever you want right there, and you can also add different complications as well. Then just tap right here, add, and just go ahead, go to your Apple Watch, and you will have your new Apple Watch face right there. The next app for the video is called Perfect, and this app is really... The next app for the video is called Perfect, and it allows you to edit videos. It is really powerful. It has some really useful tools, and of course the app is free. Now the first thing you will find right here is trim. From here you can trim or cut your videos. Just scroll that little red dot and you can go ahead and trim your videos any way you like. And this is the feature that I like. Canvas. Now if you go right here, you can add different canvases to your videos. You can see right here, like you have a portrait mode video, you can make it fit a landscape screen like this. Just add that cool canvas, and then you will have also filters. You can add music, you can change the speed of the video. From here, just scroll that like a little slider right there and set the speed of the video. And of course you will find a few ads here and there because it is a free app. And of course you can also add text right here, so tap right there, type any text you want, and you can go ahead and add that to your videos. Now once you're done editing, just tap export and you're good to go. The next app for the video is called Repost Plus, and this app allows you to repost anything from Instagram very easily. Now all you gotta do is just go to Instagram, go to any Instagram post that you want to repost, and make sure you just copy the link and you open Repost Plus, and it will automatically show the post that you want to repost right here on the app. Just tap on that post and you will be able from here to repost it. Of course, you will have the credit right there. You can move it anywhere you want on the screen, and you can also choose between a light and a dark mode, and you can also choose to copy the original caption of the post. And then just tap right here, it will take you right back to Instagram. Just go ahead, tap on the feed, and you will be able to repost it as easy as that. And last but not least is a fitness app. Now I have chosen this one because of course it is new, it has been released on September, and also it is totally free. You very rarely will find fitness apps that are free. Now from here you will find a ton of different workouts that you can go ahead and do during a day. Now select, once you open the app, you select how many workouts you want to do a day, and then it will show you right here all those that they suggest you, and just go ahead, tap on one of them, and from here just tap start session, and it will show you with video exactly how you can do those workouts. So right here, once it loads, it should start showing you all the workouts. So you can see right there It shows everything how it should be done. It is really awesome, very useful app to have, and of course it is totally free, and that's really awesome. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. These are my top 5 must-have apps of September 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.